Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be doing several trash to treasure home decor DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it.
For the first DIY, I'm using a Alfredo sauce jar, and I went ahead and spray painted it with a metallic spray paint and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. And for the next step, I just went ahead and slightly added some ivory chalk paint all over it and let it dry as well for at least 5 to 10 minutes.
I got behind.
Once the paint was completely dry, I added some twine to make a small bow.
Breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know we'll never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. Keep cruising till we hit the morning.
For the second DIY, I'm using an empty wine bottle, and I just went ahead and added some burlap all over it.
Ignore the warnings. I'll let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know we'll never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break.
To give it a little more detail, I decided to use this burlap ribbon and add some onto the center of the bottle as well.
I'd work around it, but you turned out to be so different.
For the tassels, I ended up doing 3 in total. I just got a piece of paper and wrapped some twine around it a couple times, and I ended up cutting the bottom of it, and I added more twine on just the top of the tassel just to put it together.
I'll let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know we'll never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. Keep cruising till we hit the morning, and then we do it all over again. We pass the reds, ignore the warnings. Ignore the warnings. I'll let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know we'll never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break.
For the third DIY, I'm doing a small greenery tree, and by giving the stem more support, I used this wood stick that I got from the Dollar Tree and just wrapped some floral wire over it and also some floral tape as well. And once I was done doing that, I went ahead and painted it with some brown paint.
Let me know, 'cause I need you. I'd let
To give it a little more detail, I decided to use a brown paper bag, and I just went ahead and cut a little bit on the top and wrinkled it. Next step, I went ahead and gently made a couple of folds to the paper bag. I went ahead and also added some twine so the paper bag wouldn't look too loose. For the fourth DIY, it was super cute yet very simple to make. I just went ahead and added some burlap onto this tin can. That actually was some sweet corn, and there was some leftover burlap on top, and I just went ahead and folded that. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. After that, I just added some extra greenery I had. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something. For the last and final DIY, I'm using 3 of the pediatric shake bottles. You could also use the Starbucks, the coffee glass jars. That would be perfect for this DIY as well, but since the ones I had were white already, I wanted to add some texture by painting it black at first and then just adding some white ivory on top once the black was done drying. Next up, I went ahead and added some bows with some twine. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. I did everything with things I already had at home that I usually recycle, but I thought this would be great, especially right now that we're quarantined and staying home and trying to stay healthy. You know, I have all of you guys in my prayers, and I hope all of this is over soon, but in the meanwhile, let's just stay home and stay healthy for ourselves and our surroundings. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless. Everything makes total sense when you're next to